So today I brought to you something really interesting, that is the eyelashes and eyebrows tint. It comes in this cute little box. Also comes with this bag. This is the brand Lomansa. What comes inside the box is relax cream. It comes with tint tools, oxidant cream, and it comes in two tinting colors, one black and one brown. Also comes with this for the eyebrows and with a manual how to use it. I'm going to be using the brown tint, and let's get these tools. So here, where you are going to mix the oxidant with the tint, these are gloves. These are like the brushes, the mixing, and everything that you are going to need. So let's get started. So I have mixed 101. So as much as I used oxidant, I used from the tint color in this one, and we are going to just mix it for like 1 to 3 minutes until it's completely mixed. I'm going to use this lash brush to spread it on my lashes. So I have used this makeup pad that sticks on my under eye to protect my skin, then keeping the eye closed and shut. I'm going to spread. I feel like I put enough. And now we're gonna leave it for like 5 minutes. Okay, still waiting. I put for both eyes. Now that the 4 minutes has passed, 5 minutes have passed. Okay, I'm gonna bring micellar water and wipe off. I'm gonna wipe it off from the other eye too. If I have used like the black one, it will be like really darker, but I really feel that my lashes now are really dark, and wow, this is super nice. I'm going to tint my eyebrows as well. Now I'm wiping my eyebrows. Wow, look at the color, so nice. Gorgeous. I love it, and I hope you like it too. Thank you for watching.